Good morning, students. As you know, we will continue the chapter number 18 and today we will discuss about the Union Legislature. Union Legislature means Parliament, or as you know, it is the first organ of Union government. Now, my dear student, the Constitution of India laid down the principle of universal adult franchise. What do you mean by the universal adult franchise? Universal adult franchise means all the citizens of India who are 18 or more than 18 years have the right to vote without any discrimination. So all the peoples who live in India and above the 18 years have the right to vote, and they elect their representative who constitute the parliament that control and guide the union government. Now, the parliament. The parliament is the legislative organ of the union government. It consists of the President of India and the two houses, Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. Two houses, Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. Lok Sabha is also known as lower house. Keep in mind, Lok Sabha is also known as lower house and house of the people. Why it is known as house of the people? Because its members are directly elected by the people. That's why Lok Sabha is also known as house of the people. And the second house is Rajya Sabha. Rajya Sabha is also known as Council of States and the upper house. And my dear students, its members are indirectly elected. And Rajya Sabha is also known as permanent house because it cannot be dissolved. It never dissolved. The President of India, not a member of any of the house. Keep in mind, the President of India, not a member of any of the house, but she or he is an integral part of the parliament, because no bill can become a law without his or her approval, without his or her consent. That's why President of India is known as integral part of the parliament. Now, we will talk about the first house, that is Lok Sabha. Composition of Lok Sabha, and as I told you, the Lok Sabha is also known as House of the People and Lower House. The maximum strength of Lok Sabha is 552. Total members of Lok Sabha, maximum strength of Lok Sabha is 552. 530 members from different states, 20 members from union territories, and 2 members from Anglo-Indians. Means, if the Anglo-Indians community is not represented adequately in the Lok Sabha, the President of India has the power to nominate 2 members from this community. So total members 552, 530 plus 20, 550 plus 2, Anglo-Indians 552. Now, the elections of Lok Sabha are based on secret ballot. Secret ballot means a ballot in which votes are cast in secret, and the candidate getting the highest number of votes in a constituency is declared elected. Constituency means we can say seats. The whole country had been divided into 543 parliamentary constituencies, and each one of which elects one member. Means whole India is divided for the purpose of election. This is known as constituency, and from one constituency, one member from one party can be participate. So this is known as constituency. The total constituency in India is 543. Now, and today total members of Lok Sabha nowadays, that is total 545. As I told you, Anglo-Indians committee, if they are not represented adequately in Lok Sabha, then President of India has the power to nominate 2 members from his community. Now, some seats are reserved for scheduled castes and scheduled tribes also. Some seats are reserved